Recording. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining and thank you for giving your time. So, yeah, let's begin our today's demo session for today. So, do any one of you here know what is meant by service now? Any one of you, please. So, don't take this as a demo or something else, okay? Just be in a friendly manner and we will introduce ourselves and we can go ahead with the skill set and how the service now works and how service now will help us uh, in the moving forward sessions and I will tell you that. I mean, please try to tell me, ma'am, I mean, about yourself. I mean, we can directly, instead of directly going to the service now and saying what all about it. So can you please let me know? Anyone else? Do you know what is service now? At least.
Yeah, Rupesh this side.
Yeah, hi Rupesh. Very good morning.
Good morning. Service now is nothing but business management, IT service business management, which
Uh,
includes the ticketing means ticketing tool.
Okay, good. So yes, correct. So, Rupesh, this particular ITSM in service now, basically we do have multiple sub modules, Rupesh.
Okay.
So, one of the hit in the sense, let's take for example, in a career of any particular hero, we will be having an one super hit picture will come, right? So, in the same way, for service now as well, we do have multiple domains, not only service management. We do have CMDB, we do have ITSM, we do have ITIL, we do have ITAM, ITOM, ITBM, CSM, FSM. All those things we will be having. That means why I am telling you this one is because ServiceNow is booming day by day. He is increasing a lot. He is not only sticking for one particular ITSM like just creating the tickets and just moving out. So not only this thing. So ServiceNow graphic is moving higher and higher. So if you got this opportunity at this age in ServiceNow, the life of you would be very good. And later on, if you survive in the organizations as well, so your life will be very good. We will in ServiceNow we will be having multiple career growth, and we are having good opportunity in outside of India. That means in India also we do have multiple. In India only nowadays, in India itself we have multiple things and multiple jobs also you can do within ServiceNow actually. Got it, Rupesh. Let me first introduce
Yes.
myself, Rupesh. So, myself, Mohammed Imran, and I was having around 10 years actually. My passed out year is 2013. So, later on, I joined multiple MNC companies again. After joining the MNC companies, I have joined this is a product based company. The one which I was trying to do is a product based company. So, here I have been doing for the past 5 years. So I have stuck here and I was working as a team lead and I was leading around 8 members in my team. And I do have a good rapport with all the customers and everyone in my team. And I have gotten promotion last year and I was good with that. So now we will be in the practice team, and both I need to check. I need to work like a team lead as well as practice team. Practice team is nothing but we will be giving the solutioning actually. So we need to give solutions to our team. So if anything happens, that means if any functionality is not working as expected, we need to give the actual scenarios. So how does this particular thing should work and all. So yeah, so this is all about myself, and I do have trained multiple students, man. Why? Because I was from the electrical background, and I know how to teach people. So me too in the BTech as well. I don't know what is meant by C language, and so you all know. So it's a known secret. So, however, we will be having some internal exams, external exams. However, someone will help, and you will clear the interview. At least I don't know what is meant, how to define the variables in ServiceNow or whatever it is. So. That's the reason I'm saying this is the best tool, smart and short, best and best. So we will be having multiple tools, teams like Power BI we have, DevOps we have. So all these things I have learned, but waste of time actually. So at last, what I was trying to say is like, so waste of time of going with other tools. This is the best tool which I recommend you to do. Why? Because this in this particular thing, we will be having multiple modules. At least you can have a good module experience as well in this particular service now. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So, do anyone have any doubts? Just let me know. I mean, do anyone know what is my service now or how the journey should start with service now? And I will tell you how to start the journey with service now and all. Before that, are any one of you are worked for service now and learning again?
Hi Imran, myself Narsimha.
Yeah, hi Narasimha. Tell me.
Yeah, actually, I didn't get a chance to work on service now till now. I have passed out my BTech in 2016. So
Okay,
in 2017, I have joined in one of the MNC company. It's
great.
completely operations.
Super.
It's not a non-IT. It's a non-IT
Uh-huh.
job. Till now, I am working on a same company. So
Okay,
now I am in a position of team leader.
super.
So around 23 people will be available in my team, and I used to lead them and I used to assign what has to be done on daily basis. So
Awesome.
and what had to be done in next month, and we will be work on a forecast for next 3 months or 1 year based on the client requirement.
Super. That means you are working for, I mean, any technical or non-technical?
Non-technical team, completely non-technical.
Got it, got it. That means like any other processes, right?
Yes, correct.
For you guys, it is very easy, very
Mm.
simple. Why? Because the guys which I place them, I mean, with the trainings which I give, they can easily crack the jobs on their end itself, man. No need of taking some support or no need to go and take some support from others. Okay, so you can directly crack the interviews from your end. That means you have around how many years of experience? 2016 in the sense, 8 years.
Around 6 years, 6+ years
Plus
experience I
years.
have.
Okay, got it. So 6+ years of years you experienced with the organizations. So
Yes,
you
yes.
don't have any, I mean, gap in the career gap or all like that, right?
No, no, I doesn't have any. I
Great,
don't
great.
have.
Have you ever used ServiceNow in the before? I mean, for ticketing or something?
One thing I can tell you that which is helped me very lot. So ServiceNow, we have a tool in our company which is used to client and client service used to raise a ticket through
Uh-huh.
ServiceNow, and we will look into ServiceNow and we will take the details from ServiceNow and we will try to help client service and the clients what their requirement, and we will close the
Got it,
ticket
got it, got it,
accordingly.
got it. You're working like an help desk actually.
Help desk, correct, exactly.
Basically, we will be having some several people, in service now. We will be having multiple people. Some work like an developers, some will work like an individual team, and some will work like an so developers, admins, all those type of things we will be having actually.
Yeah,
So
I feel
yeah,
ServiceNow is the platform where the people can post their questions,
correct, correct,
queries, and which will go across the globe and
correct,
wherever they want. That can be look into anyone, whoever having access. Based
correct.
on that, they will try to help who raise the question
Great.
and solve the issue. Complete.
I hope you have been debugged more before coming to this session itself. You have been debugged a lot. Good.
Yeah, yeah.
So actually, in our service now, bro, any organizations without service now, there will be no organization actually. Why? Because at least we need to have one tool which can manage the service now actually. So for managing all the service now activities, organizational activities like Let's take for example, we do have thousands of assets in my organization. Who will take care of thousands of assets? So actually in the past, we will be having SAP to maintain the assets in the organization. We will be having an, let's take assets. So these are assets, thousand assets. Thousands, lakhs of assets we will be having in our organizations actually. So lakhs of assets we will be having in the organization actually. Let us take this as an organization. So my type of training will be like an graphical representation actually. Why? Because for a kid as well, if you train like a graphical representation way, you can easily understand. See, as you can see here, so whatever I will teach for each and every method, for each and every topic, I will be having this type of scenarios. Like we will be having development group, admin group, testing group, and what all the things which we want to access to this particular form. So I will teach you in a different manner. Why? Because if it is in a graphical representation, your mind will stick to there, and your mind will. I mean, at the time of interview you attend, so your thoughts will directly go to the picture, and you will find the picture in your mind actually. So basically, I will be teaching like this way so that you can easily understand the topic, each and every topic. So most probably, in service now, we will be having very, very important topics around 20 topics, Most probably 20 topics are very, very important. If you master in these 20 topics, your job is in your hands. I'm saying that as a trainer, as a mentor, I have given multiple technical interviews by my own. Why? Because I need to test the market, how the interviews are going on. I have attended lakhs of interviews. I'm saying now. So most probably they will won't go beyond these 20 topics. So what I was trying to say is like, if you are perfect in this only 20 topics, what all the topics I will discuss this later. So you have to remember this. If you are good in only 20 topics, this is more than enough, and you will definitely crack the interview without any help. Again, I'm saying without any help, you can crack the interviews without any support and all. So what I was trying to say is like, please try to prepare very well at all those things. So yeah, let us try to go to the topic. In organization, we are having 10,000 or 1 lakh assets. So in the past, we will be using the SAP. So SAP is charging more. That means in crores of rupees, SAP is charging. So ITSM, so this particular service now has came into picture now. Service now has came into picture and released by tool called ITAM. What it is? ITAM, asset management, information technology, asset management. So basically, this is an organization. You are having 1 lakh assets. So basically, you need to trace this particular assets, right? Without tracing, this is waste of time. No, you have to trace the assets for sure. Am I right? If you are not tracing the assets, then what about the company? The company will get wiped off. The company will get removed. So at least you need to trace the particular 10,000 lakh assets. So for this systematical asset allocation can be done with the help of ITAM in ServiceNow. So that means what I was trying to say is like it is beating SAP as well. We will be having the main thing which will which are the oppositions of Jira. The same, I mean, main probably in service now, we will be having some other tools like service now. So first one is the service now. This is the leading one. We will be having the Jira and we will be having a BMC remedy. So the founder of service now, do you know who is the founder of service now?
Red lady.
Red lady, correct. So basically, Fred Lady is the founder of ServiceNow actually. So he has invented ServiceNow. So before ServiceNow, he has worked for BMC Remedy in the past. He has worked for BMC Remedy for the past 20 years. How many years? 20 years. Once after completing the 20 years, he has there in the BMC Remedy, he got the all the backlogs and all those things in the BMC Remedy, and finally he created a tool called ServiceNow. So basically, ServiceNow will also have a systematical arrangement of the ServiceNow assets. So now where comes that ServiceNow developer? That is the main duty of you. So before that, yeah. So as you can see here, this is all about myself, and I have been done multiple projects and multiple students I have been trained, and I have been in the community as well. In our ServiceNow, we will be having a community. I will not say my official email ID, what with what name I have been presenting in the ServiceNow community. I have been given multiple suggestions and multiple answers in the community as well, and I have been delivered multiple trainings focusing on real world scenarios. So basically, actually, I was working right. So in the same way, my team lead and my teammates, whatever the teammates requirements will come, I will be showing you on the session itself. So I will be giving some real time actually, so that after going to the organization as well, you can easily do it without affecting the actual things. So basically, ServiceNow is all about cloud-based ITSM platform. Do anyone of you don't know what is meant by cloud? Can you please tell me?
Physical server not needed.
Yeah. So anyone of you don't know who is cloud? What is cloud? Just tell me, I will tell you. Do I need to explain what is meant by a cloud? Come on, guys.
No.
Just tell me.
It's a
No need, right? Yeah.
place.
So cloud is nothing but you can access the things which you can access from outside the world. So let's take for example, we are having YouTube. How you are accessing the YouTube? Where all the videos stay? Do you know where all the videos stay? That is known as the cloud. So basically, if you want to access the cloud, what are the basic needs you need to have?
So only internet.
Internet
Internet.
is
And browser.
mandatory. So
Yes.
basically, you have been captured a video on your phone. Let's take this is your mobile phone. Okay,
Storage also.
you have captured your you have captured a video. You have captured a video in the mobile phone. So let's take this is a video, and this is your friend. This is your friend. You have captured a video in your mobile phone. Okay, and you have been saved it in your mobile itself. Does this video be accessible to your friend? No, right? This is captured in the mobile itself. It haven't. There should be some intermediate, right? To work, there should be some intermediate between these two friend as well as this particular mobile phone. There should be some intermediate. So let's just take WhatsApp. So this is a WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp, you can send this particular video to WhatsApp account, and then you can access, and your friend can access this particular video through access from WhatsApp cloud, right? Yes or no? That means in the WhatsApp we will be having a storage, that is cloud storage. He is not your friend, right? To store everything. So there is some cloud which will store this particular video in the WhatsApp, and then you can access this. So that is meant by cloud actually. Cloud is a this is the actual definition. Videos also there. So whatever the video which you will be uploading, that will store it in your computer itself. Sorry, in your cloud. So that is known as a cloud actually. So now let us try to go to our topic. Yeah. So as you can see here, ServiceNow is an one second. So yeah, as you can see here, ServiceNow has multiple applications like ITSM, ITOM, HRSD, SecOps, CSM, all those things we will be having. So we need not to fear about all those things. If you are perfect in the one which I was teaching to you, it is more than enough to capture all these tools actually. Yeah, tell me, Sai.
No, no, no. I just wanted a definition. What the
Yeah, please.
definition I'm looking for, you told me the same. That's
Okay, yeah.
fine.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, one more thing I need to say is like, so if you go for the other tools like Power BI, SQL Server, DevOps, so the thing which you will learn will be totally different from the tool which you see. Okay, in the organizations, if you go inside, so there will be different tool, and the one which you are learning is different actually. So in ServiceNow, it is not like that. So the same thing which you are learning here, the same thing will be reflected, and the same thing will be shown in our live environment as well. So actually, we will be ServiceNow will give you one platform that is known as personal developer instance. What it is known as
Personal development investment.
PDI.
PDA.
It starts with PDI. PDI is known as personal developer instance. Personal developer instance. Actually, personal developer instance is used to uh, how the instance works and to learner. ServiceNow has directly given. So we need not to have a very big laptop or buy any new laptop for training for ServiceNow. We can have a minimum laptop is also fine. Why? Because this is just a cloud. ServiceNow is a cloud-based ITSM platform, no? So that's the reason it is also a cloud. You need not to buy a new laptop or do something and ask your friends, family members, and irritate them to get a new laptop. No need to have all those type of things. It is just a basic laptop which can show you the display that is perfectly fine. No need to go with the new laptops. So okay. So this is the personal developer instance actually. Yeah. So as I said, ServiceNow will play a centralized platform for managing all the IT services, not only ticketing tool. Again, I'm saying ServiceNow is not only the ticketing tool. If you are thinking ServiceNow is only a ticketing tool and you are viewing that particular ServiceNow in a small way, that is waste. Why? Because ServiceNow is a very largest tool in the world, and we need not to learn all those things. Okay, so at the time starts you can learn all those things, but for getting the job and surviving, ITSM is more than enough. Okay, for managing HR services like onboarding, offboarding, you will be doing, right? So onboarding and offboarding will be taken care by whom? Actually, HR people. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in the
Yes,
same
yes.
way, yeah. So in the same
Yes,
way,
sir.
ServiceNow has released HRSD again. Now, let us try to go with the other. So as I said, ServiceNow is not only a new tool, so it is the oldest tool only. So if you think like ServiceNow is the latest one, then you are in a trouble. So it is not like a latest one. It is invented in 2003. It is invented in 2003. Initially, the name is not like ServiceNow. It is like a GlideSoft. What it is? Can you please tell me? Can you please
Glide
explain me,
software.
please? It is like
Glide soft.
GlideSoft. Later, it has been renamed as ServiceNow in
Yes.
2006. The current CEO is this particular Bill McDermott. So, as you can also see, the market success as well. So, this is a very most large growing product in ServiceNow. Is the most largest growing product in the world. So one more thing is like best. It is the best in all the ticketing tools. Not only the ticketing tool for IT service management, everything it can survive. And one more thing, ServiceNow will release every two versions per year. There will be nothing difference. You need not to be updated. You need not to be do anything else. There will be a ServiceNow documentation. So with the help of documentation, you can easily check what else got updated. So the only thing is like, so if you see the mobile phone, if you see this particular mobile phone on for every 2 3 weeks or uh, every 2 weeks or every 1 week, you will be getting one updated option. Please upgrade your mobile. Upgrade. Sorry, not upgrade. Update. Please update your phone. Yes or no, ma? You will get this message on the top right for your mobile.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So basically, if you are trying to, if it is a Samsung, let us take it is a Samsung mobile. So if you are trying to update your mobile, Samsung mobile update activity, will the Samsung phone will convert to iPhone? No, right?
No.
No. No.
Phone will be same.
No.
No.
Only the security patches will get releases, right?
Yes.
Only security patches and security things will get changed. But there will be no such difference, or there will be no much difference between these things. In the same way, service now also same. There will be no much difference actually. The same thing will be there, but the security patches, those things will get released. So the latest version of service now is Xanadu. What it is?
Xenon.
Zerado.
Xanadu. Xanadu. Xanadu is the latest version of ServiceNow. Now, basically, how the ServiceNow solves the real-time business problems. So, as I said, you ITSM is an IT service management. It will let us try to take one small example and explain you so that it will be very good. Let us take he is the employee in organization. Okay, so he is there in one of the organization. Let us take this is the organization. He is in one of the organization. Okay, so he is working for one application called Oracle. What it is? Oracle. Oracle application. Or else let us try to do. We are having one tool called any. Let us take some portal. Okay, some portal where he can access the request or where he can access the food delivery. What it is? Food delivery. So basically, he has forwarded some getting the lunch box to the organization, and what he is trying to do is like he wants to raise a request in a food delivery so that the food delivery boy will get the food to the canteen and he can eat it. Okay. So have you got the scenario? What I was trying to say you.
Yes, sir.
So basically, he is working for a tough project. He needs to attend the calls within the time from organization itself. Okay, so he forgot this food and he went to the organization and he tried to log into this portal, food delivery portal, to book some biryani or whatever it is, whatever the dish he likes. So unfortunately, what happened is like there is an error message and he can't access this particular food delivery portal. So what is the first thing which he employee will do? He will be going out
Right.
and eat the food.
He will report the issue.
He will report the
Report
issue,
the
right?
issue.
He will be trying to report the issue to the concerned team. Let's take for portal. This has been sorry. This has been delivered by some people. So the people are like these are the developers. Listen carefully, ma. This is very, very useful to you. You will understand what else we can do here. Where the service node developer will comes and all will do it here. Okay. So let us take developers. Let us take he also developer one, developer two. He is the admin people. These are all the help desk people. Okay. Let us take. So for each and every tool, ma, these all members is for sure. Developers are for sure. Help desk people are for sure. And admin people are for sure. Okay. And one more thing is like testers will be there. Testers also should be there. But we will won't have much testing people in service now. So, however, in organization, if anything happens, first they will remove testers only. So that's the reason we should not go for the testing and all. Okay, we are not much safe when you are working as an admin or tester. If you are a developer, then no one will put an hand on you. No one will remove you. At least they will transfer your candidature to other organizations, but they will definitely won't remove you. So just carefully, listen carefully now. So employee in the organization, so he is trying to go for the food delivery app and he is trying to book it, but unfortunately it is not booking it. So first what this organization in the internal organization people will do, they will call to who, they will call directly to the developers or help desk people.
Help
Help
desk.
desk.
Help desk people.
So they will directly contact to help desk people and say the scenario like we are unable to access this particular portal. I do have an project delivery things needs to happen for sure, so please try to fix it as soon as possible, they will ask. So what these guys will do, they will be creating a ticket. Why? Because this customer, this employee has came, right? So this employee, on behalf of him, they will raise a concern. So they will raise a ticket and they will assign to some people, developers or whatever it is, developers or admins. This team, these are all, this particular portal development has been done by all these people, right? So they will assign this particular thing to developers. So now the developer checks. So what is the actual issue? So okay, so there is a high traffic in the sense multiple people is accessing the this food delivery app. That's the reason it is not obeying. So what he will do is like he will check the maintenance and he will be adding some more packets to it. Packets in the sense not food packets. So in a for example, if we are having the high traffic now, so they can easily add some more bandwidth to it. So if you are using some bandwidth to it, so there will be some space and other users who is accessing the food delivery app can do this. So yes or no? I mean, he will be increasing the space of the portal delivery app. As soon as the size got increased, now what he can do? He can directly access it and then he can eat a food. So where the service node developer will come into picture is like, so basically the help desk person is trying to create a ticket, right? Trying to ticket, trying to create a ticket. So this particular form, what else details I need to collect from customer? What else the details I
Employee
need to
ID.
collect from customer? Name of the
Employee ID.
user. Okay, I need to collect the name. He is from which department? And he what the date and time when he reached and how much SLA this particular thing should get run. So name, from which department he is trying to book the log and how much quantity, what is the actual issue, that means short description. So this particular form Designing will be taken care by the developer. Now, as soon as the ticket got created, this help desk person will tell this particular employee on the phone, or else a notification will get sent to the user, right? Yes or no, ma? A notification directly trigger, right?
Yes, yes.
A notification will directly trigger to this particular user. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Notification. So basically, once after the notification sent to the user, so he will see, okay, what is the status of this particular ticket, whether it is in which state, whether we can solve or not, whether what we can do. So all these things we can have, right? So once after this particular ticket is resolved, and once the developer has been resolved this particular ticket, do the developer again needs to reach out to the employee and say that I have been resolved the ticket? Do he need to call the employee again? No need to, right?
No.
So again, the notification needs to trigger, stating that your ticket has been resolved. Please check and confirm us. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, ma? So those type of things also done by ServiceNow developer. Now, who are admins? In ServiceNow, we will be having admins as well. Who are admins actually? Admins are nothing but for this particular tool, let us try to go what the main theme of admin. Okay, so let us try some person has onboarded newly. He just onboarded newly. This is a new employee. So he needs to have access to this particular tool. Yes or no? He needs to have access to this particular tool to book a lunch. Am I right? So for this accessing this particular tool, what he need? He need help of admin. Why? Because admin only will give or provide access to the particular tool. Then only he can access the food delivery app. So now, I mean, I just wanted to understand you guys, like who are the developers, who are the testers, who are the admins now? Do you know what the difference? Have you got the difference between what admins will do, what developers will do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got
Yes, sir.
it.
You got it, right? So
Oh,
admins will give
access
access to
given by
the
the
tool.
admin.
Yeah, admin will give access to the tool. If any issue happens in the tool, who will take care of?
Developer will do.
Developers will
Developer
take
will
care.
do.
Developer.
Now, if the functionality is working, someone will tell that this employee will tell that whenever I am trying to open the food delivery app, it is working very slow. That means who will take care of? Developers only. They will fix it and tell the testers to test it, whether it is working as expected or not within the timelines or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the actual thing which will happen, ma. So now I hope you got an got a skill where the ServiceNow developer works. Like ServiceNow is other type of tool actually, which for this tool as well, even if it is a other tool, ServiceNow is helping him with the name of ticketing. Okay. Now, one more thing, bro. I just wanted to take care of one small thing. Let us take, we are having stock room of kitchen, cloud kitchen. Let us take, this is a cloud kitchen, cloud kitchen. This particular user is trying to, so in cloud kitchen, we will be having some dishes. So the dishes are like 50 biryani packets. Okay. This particular user is trying to, there are 50 users who already booked this. There are 50 users who already booked this. Now, how many will be there? Biryani packets?
0.
0.
Yeah.
Now, a new user came here. He is trying to raise a ticket for getting the biryani packet. So now the ticket should get submitted or not? Tell me. Why? Because this particular biryani packet has been finished. Does the ticket should get submitted?
Yeah, submitted.
So
Submitted.
basically, it should not submit. Why? Because the packets has been finished, na. If the packets are there, then we can then this particular user can have the biryanis, right? If we don't have that particular biryani packets in the cloud kitchen, so we can't give the support to user, right? We need to send the SMS. We need to send us mail, or else we need to send some alert message stating that the product which you are selecting, the stock has been finished. Stock is
Sufficient.
finished.
Finish.
Hence
Auto
we are unable to survive you. Hence we cannot
Some pop-up message are
help
there.
you or something. Help you at this moment. Please try after later after 1 hour, so that if any packets will come, we will be giving it to you. So you got this point. So basically, how this particular user is understanding there are no business, there are no tiffin, or there is no lunch to him by seeing these particular messages, right? So these messages will be generated by the service developer. Okay.
So the pop-up message will be developed only.
Yes, yes. Developers only. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
And one more thing. Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Oh, in ServiceNow, testers are available or testing duty is also, I mean, developer
ServiceNow,
only
in
itself.
ServiceNow, we will be having testers as well. I was working as team lead, right? In my team, we will be having 2 testers as well.
Okay.
That means not these testers, like the way the other testers are there, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Like Java, all those people are there, right? Those are not those testers actually. These are other ServiceNow testers will be there directly.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. In single answer, I will tell you one small thing. You have been hired in organization and you are unable to perform the I mean developer activities. Then they will remove you from the development and move it to the admin team. In the admin team also you are not performing, then they will push it to the testing team. That is a simple funda. Got it?
Okay.
So yeah. So now automation scenarios. Yes, I said one automation scenario here. So how this particular tool will understand, how this particular food delivery tool will understand whether the food got finished or not. This is known as an automation. It should sense it whether the tool, whether in the cloud, this already the biryani packets are left or not, should be censored by the tool. Then only we can go with this, and then ticket needs to get created. So these things needs to get created actually. So yeah, as you can see that we can do these particular things with the help of flow designers. I will tell you the engine, all these things. So in workflow, flow designers, all these things we will be having in our service now. So because of that, we can easily do it. Future, it's really great actually. For the next
Okay.
30 to 50 years, I'm saying now, there will be no such tool like ServiceNow will come into the market. That is for sure. So the only thing is like if you are keeping a small organization, or if you are trying to plan an organization, first and foremost thing they need to plan one ticketing tool. Then only they need to create one organization. For a home, how the lock is for sure. In the same way, if you want to enter into the home, a lock is for sure, right? So in the same way, if you want to open any of the big organization, this ITSM is for sure. One more thing I'm saying, ServiceNow will be used by very great organizations itself. Like Amazon is there, Microsoft, Google, Apple, all these things are there actually. All the very great organizations are used by ServiceNow. So now, why my training will help you is like the only thing which I was trying to say you can directly crack the interviews, or if you are unable to crack the interviews as well, I will tell you how to prepare for the interviews and crack the interviews. That is for sure. The only difference between the other institutions and me is like I will morely focus on the interviews, and I will majorly focus on how the interviews will happen and how you need to speak in front of the interviewer and how the questions will be asked by the interviewers. Those things I will be focused on, and you need to focus. I will focus on. One second, just a minute. I will just a minute. My kid came to me. Just a minute. Thank you so much for your questions. Yeah. So as you can see, sir, I will be mostly focusing on the interview support itself. I mean, always try to remember we are all more matured here. So now it's the time to prove yourself. Taking the trainings and sitting ideal is waste of time. Yes or no? Just taking the trainings and moving on, and no one will help you. If you're going and training with other people, they will definitely, I'm saying that they will own you, at least the response they will own you. Once after the training has been finished, then finished. No one will tell you the path. I know how much I struggled when I was at the fresher, when I was after actually my career has started with the banking projects, sorry, banking domains. Later on, I just moved from banking domain to service now actually. So when I was trying to get this done, Sridhar, please don't draw something else. Yeah. So what I was trying to say is like I have also started my career with the banking domain. So I have done there for at least 3 to 4 years. Later on, my manager said me to resign. Why? Because I do have a good knowledge actually. So I was really blessed to have the type of managers. They will say like, so don't go with the non-technical things and don't go for the banking domains. Why? Because you will get less package comparing to other software things. You will get less package and you will have high work. Don't be here, just resign and go. If anything happens, come back again. We will definitely help you. So they have given some boosting like that to me. So after coming out, I do learn some service now. I do learn some Power BI, DevOps, and I have learned multiple tools. Nothing has survived. At last, I came to know that service now is very easy. Why? Because I'm from the triple E background actually, triple E, electrical. So later on, I thought that it is very easy tool to learn and we can get good packages on service now. And then I have learned self study, and I one more tutor is there to me. So that tutor helped me for only 10 days. I'm literally saying I'm in front of my laptop. This is my food and bread. So he just trained me for 10 days. He not even completed all the topics. I have learned on my own, and I have cleared the interviews. Nothing helped, nothing else. Later on, my life is in a way in a good condition right now. I was in a leading position right now. So that's the reason I say it is very, very easy tool. It is very easy to practice. Okay. There is nothing such high. Please try to remember your parents, your family members, your children. Stay focused. Just follow me. I'm here to help you. I will definitely guide you how to get placed If you're not placing as well, I do have multiple domains to place. I will place you as well. Only thing is like stay focused. That is the only challenge here. At least Seema, we are totally fully matured. Till now, we are taking the trainings again and again. That will never ever feed you. The only thing is like take this training program is a challenging part. You have to do it and you need to success in this particular service now. That's it. Fully stop. Just keep a fully stop on it. No need to go with other tools. No need to go with other trainers. I'm saying I'm here like an all-in-one to you. I'm very much expert in everything actually. For ServiceNow, I'm expert. I'm saying I'm expert for ServiceNow. I know how to teach and how to guide, how to get the job in ServiceNow. The only thing is like be focused, be focused, be focused. Don't distract here and there. There is nothing like in rocket science. You are not building any rockets here. At least you are not survived in the government jobs. At least survive here. Doing work for 15 to 20,000. At least an auto who is. I'm not blaming the auto people. I'm saying we are educated, na. At least we are educated now. At least we need to earn a minimum 80,000 to 1 lakh at the age of 25 to 28. If you are married, then at least you need to earn 1 lakh rupees per month. If you are not earning 1 lakh rupees per month, then it is no one will care you, to be honest. If you are in India, you need to at least you need to earn around 80,000 per month if you are married. If you are not unmarried, then it is 60 is also fine, 20 is also fine. But don't try to go for the non-technical. If you are going for the non-technical, you know how the life it is. It is very tough, and the surviving and everything would be very difficult, ma. I'm saying na for service now we will not have much work. Only thing is to at the time of learning, please learn very well with very heartedly. I mean, you keep your whole heart and learn a single tool. That is do or die. That's it. No need to go with other tools. This is the best tool, ma. I'm saying na. I'm the only example. I'm the example. I'm from Tripoli and I don't know any each and every single language I don't know. But I'm in a position to teach you now. So you can easily analyze yourself actually. Okay. So what I was trying to say is like be focused, learn very well. That's it. Getting the job is very simple. Now, as well, I'm saying getting the job is very much easier near me. The only thing is like surviving. Surviving is important. You are going to the organization, you are doing the job for 6 months, and your parents, your family members will hope something on you, and later on, because of your behavior or because of your something, everything will get vanished. That will won't feed you. At least I can say it as no one will care you in your family as well. He will get the job, but he will remove from the organization later on some days. That tag should not be there. That's the reason I'm saying I will focus more on this particular skills and I will help you in getting the placements. The only thing you need to do is the learning in a good manner. That's it. So yes, if you want to have any questions, just let me know. Or else, and one more thing is like no need. There are graduations, and I can say it as minimum 2 years is required for service now to get it placed. Minimum 2 years is required for sure. And open degree, ma. Diploma is also fine. I haven't recommended, I haven't written the diploma here. Diploma is also fine. And non-IT professionals is more than enough. Okay? Why? Because they know the organizational standards and all. So at least you know how to behave with the other colleagues and all. Okay? If you, I will be teaching you how to behave with other things and everything. Okay? So no need to fear about it. I'm here from A to Z. I will clear everything. Okay. So yeah, it is very good for IT, non-IT professionals as well. At least your BPO is also fine, ma. I need that one. Okay, chalo then. Let us start our journey from today, and we will start our sessions from Monday morning 9:15 a.m. in the morning. Okay, please try to join for sure at 9:15 in the morning. Okay,
Um,
just try to ping me
yes.
on this mobile number 90144034336 is my mobile number. Please try to mail, and if you have having anything else, just let me know.
Separately, we have to call you for the questions and doubt.
No, no, just tell me.
Yeah.
Apart from any financial discussions, just tell me here, like your
Yeah.
career growth and all.
Yes, I actually have an experience
Yes,
of
ma'am.
6 years in medical documentation.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, and after that, due to maternity and all, I have a career gap of 3 years. I resigned from my position in 2022.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Alright.
So, is it practically possible to switch into service now?
Yes, it is. One more thing. Do you know the latest news which are released by TCS? Like in TCS, if you have a career gap and if you have any this medical, what I can say is educational gap, they will won't hire you. Correct?
Yes.
Now they have been released one latest circular stating that for ladies, a minimum gap of 2 years or 3 years. I don't know the actual date, actual timeline, but they had said that minimum if there is a gap as well. TCS also accepting it. So okay, fine, no problem at all.
Yeah,
However, you are
because
having a
I
genuine experience of 6 years, right? That is most our problem. I mean, it is not such problem. We need to check it actually. So the only thing I can say it as never, better late than never.
Yeah, because I'm from a non-technical background,
Yeah, yeah, that's
so
fine.
yeah, how the experience
I will
we can
match it.
manipulate.
I will do it. I will tell you this one on phone. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. No worries. That one is not a big issue actually.
Yeah, because
Okay.
if it is doable, then only
Then
I
I
can
I'm
think of.
saying, Nama, I'm not like other guys. If it is doable, I will tell you that it is doable. If it is not, then I will show you the proof as well. The one who has done it, like the same way you are. Okay?
o-
I will show you the proof for each and everything, ma. I will tell you the proofs only. Without any proofs, I will not go forward and tell you. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Another, Dinesh, tell me.
Yeah, hi,
I
Imran.
hope it
Uh,
is
Im
all. Yeah.
Imran, I have one question.
Yeah.
Like, admin and help desk people will be working with shifts, right? The same like developer also
No,
will
no,
be
no.
working in shifts in
Developers are
service now.
kings actually. Developers are
Okay,
no, they will not. I mean, if there are very business critical loss, then the developer will come into picture. But only admins and testers will work for the shift, night shift, day shift like that. But nothing will be there.
okay,
Maximum, if you are an admin as well for service now, there will be no shifts. There will be the
okay,
normal shift, normal time. Maximum 2 o'clock would be the final one.
okay.
2 a.m. in the morning. That was the final shift.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ending.
And one more question. In ServiceNow development, it has JavaScript and some people will tell PowerShell
Good question,
scripting
bro.
and all, right?
Perfect
Those
question you
things,
asked. So
yeah.
actually, what I will saying is like even so, someone are saying like non-technical, and I do have 6 years of experience and all those type of things, right? I have my
Yes.
friend who is having around 12 years of experience,
Okay.
12 years of experience in Java. He is very good
Mm-hmm.
in coding.
Okay.
He is excellent in coding. Actually, he has got good feedbacks from the customer as well. Later on,
Okay.
by some circumstances, he has moved to some other tool. The tool is ServiceNow.
Okay.
What it is? ServiceNow.
ServiceNow. Okay.
Now he is at least he is having 2 years of experience and he is good in JavaScript and all. For ServiceNow, he is new itself. He is new to ServiceNow only. Why? Because in ServiceNow, he has its own APIs.
Okay.
API stands for Application
Application
Programming
program
Interface.
interface.
He has
Mhm.
its own APIs. He has built his own things. He is nothing much. I mean, he will take the support of JavaScript, but it is not the JavaScript actually. This is the non-native JavaScript. Non-native
Okay.
in the sense, like for loop is there, if conditions we have, while loop, for loop, this type of loops we are having in the JavaScript, right? The same thing we will
Yes.
be using here only, but not the JavaScript. We will never use JavaScript in ServiceNow. I'm again saying ServiceNow has its own API. They will build their own
API
API.
or something like to do our development work easy in our day to
Yes.
will be
ServiceNow
covered
has
in this.
invented on his own.
Sorry?
Okay. So that's what I'm saying. You will come to the same page, and the particular guy who don't have experience will come to the same page. You both will stand at the same position. No worries at all. Okay, even if you are having 0 years of experience, also ServiceNow is new only to him. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other doubts? Yeah, you can drop your hand, please. Yeah,
Yeah,
Rupesh,
Rupesh.
tell me.
That's
So I have 2.5 years experience in Java,
Right?
and now from past 6 months I am working in PMC Remedy
BMC.
for
Right.
Oman LNG client.
Uh-huh.
So where I'm developing or customization from my side only. I'm the only team.
You are
So
leading it, right?
yeah, I'm whole and soul for it.
See,
Yeah.
okay.
So yeah, so I want to switch in service now. So I'm just expecting. Suppose I after the training I post my resume on Naukri. So how much call I can expect because I have did Java as well and
Hundreds
BMC
of
as well.
calls you will get, bro. I'm saying now why? Because at least you do have an knowledge on Java, and we will not keep Java actually. After the training, we will keep at least of around 3 years of experience.
Okay. So any vacancies in Pune as well?
Multiple will be there. If it is Hyderabad, then it is not. But if it is a Pune, then we are having multiple. Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, we have multiple.
Okay. And how much package I can expect if I have 3 years
Totally
experience?
based on your see, the live scenario. I will tell you. There is one student of me. She got offer of around 14 lakhs. She has done in Infosys of around with a package of 3 lakhs, I guess. 3 lakhs in very good organization. She got a package of 14 lakhs now. How much?
14
14
lakhs.
lakhs. Even she is having the 3 lakhs and she kept the experience of around 4 years. She has got 14 lakhs. I will show you the screenshot. Wait. I will not show the total screenshot. I will just tell you, I will show you the only thing which, or else do one thing, bro. Can you please send me your WhatsApp? Hello. I will send you the
Yeah.
screenshot of what she got, the
Yeah,
offer.
I will. Yeah, I
Please
will.
try to send it, okay?
So instead of Naukri, you can also provide us the HR contacts, or you are able to.
Definitely. I will
Uh,
provide.
so we expect that you schedule our interview as well.
No. You can keep it Naukri and you will get the calls. I
Okay, so
will
please,
help later
please
on.
there, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the total duration of training is 40 days.
Sorry, Rupesh, what you're trying to say? Can you please repeat?
The total duration of training is
45 days.
okay.
It's around 45 days. And
So
yes,
it includes use cases based scenarios as well.
all the use cases I will cover. Don't worry about the use cases and don't worry about the training. This is a fully cooked ma. Don't worry about the what you will learn and how you will learn. Leave it on me. Okay?
Okay.
I will not say what I will teach you. At last, at the 45 days ending, you will get a good expertise knowledge, ma. I'm saying na you will get for sure.
Okay.
And you will be getting the job handy within the 45 days only. After 20 to 25 days, we can put the resume if interested, or else after completing of 45 days, we can start the interview process.
Okay, so theory notes also provided by your side?
Yes, on daily basis. One more thing, good question. So as you can see the screen, I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So one second. Sorry, this is not the one. So as you can see here, on daily basis, we will be having the sessions, and on a daily basis, I will be uploading the sessions like this. Okay. And we will be having a notes as well. I will be taking that attendance, and I will be preparing the self introduction for you as well. And all the students should say from the starting. After 20 days, you need to, as I said, I will be focusing more on interview process, right? So all these things needs to get by any of the student on daily basis. So this is the notes which we are trying to prepare.
Okay.
So this is
So
a
is
note.
there any
And
mock
this is a
interview?
self-introduction which we need to, yes, mock interviews. I will take the mock interviews as well.
So it's weekly basis or monthly basis?
2 weeks.
Sorry, what?
Every
It's
week or
weekly
2 weeks.
basis or monthly basis?
After 25 days, I will take on daily basis. Anyone else, I will take. I will tell how to prepare for the interviews, and I will take the demos.
Do you have classes on Sunday also?
No Sundays, only Monday to Saturday.
Okay.
ITSM or
Hello, sir.
integration only or anything, any other module will teach you?
I will be teaching you other modules as well, like HRSD. I will teach you.
HRSD.
Not much, but okay. I will teach. How does this particular thing works? I will in this training. I will teach you ITSM, HRSD, and integrations.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I have the same question.
Sorry,
I have the same question. Is it sufficient
can you please
to?
speak somewhat louder?
Yeah, I have the same question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it sufficient to learn only ITSM and HRSD?
Is this the same for all? His voice is not much audible.
Yeah.
He's asking that ITSM and HRDS is enough
Is
to.
enough.
More than enough. More than enough.
Yeah, because most of the
It's
companies
totally
they
based on the configurations, bro. Even if it is an ITSM, HRSD, SecOps, or all those things, the only thing is lies on the configuration only. The tables and all those things will get changed, but everything will be same.
okay. Because most of the company in their JD requirement for the ITOM and SecOps for all different modules.
Which
That's
one?
my doubt. Most of the companies JD their requirement for the ITOM and ITSM like the different modules. So
See, ITOM will comes under the operational things. Like if we are having multiple integrations, how does this particular integrations works and all those things will comes under the ITOM. No worries about ITOM. No, don't worry. I will tell you now how to get the calls without ITOM as well. They will ask for sure. If they want, they will ask multiple things. But no problem at all.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Is there any
Uh,
mandatory certifications we need to do?
So if you are having the certifications, then that will feed you. But it's fine. That's fine. No problem. If you don't have the certifications, also we can say that we are trying to complete the certification this weekend in the interview. So that if the interview passes, then we can complete the certifications. If your interview is not as expected, then we can go with other things.
Yeah, our company provides a CS and CAD certificate, so
First to
that
do
would
it,
be great
bro.
if I can.
If you are having, first to
Yeah,
complete it.
okay, got it.
Yeah, that will definitely help you.
Thank you.
Just call me once after you got the voucher, and I will help
Sure,
you how to do it.
sure,
For
definitely.
me also.
Yeah, sure. Please try to come. Yeah,
In
anyone
that,
else? Yeah, tell me.
yes, I do have some doubts.
Yes, please.
Actually, I am from a non-IT background and I've been freelancing. I'm an online educator.
Mhm.
I've been working since 2021
Do you have
and now
PF,
I want to, pardon please.
PF Provident Fund?
Provident fund, actually, I've been working with other credentials, not my own.
Okay. Then,
So we won't have any provident fund or something. We will have
do
a
you
TDS.
have bank account statement?
Yes, I do have, but
Okay.
I those are not on my own identities and credentials.
Oh my God.
Mm.
Bank account statement
So how
belongs to
can
you or others?
others? Totally, the PAN card details and all the bank statements
We will discuss
belong.
this on phone, okay? Just call me on phone,
Okay.
okay? We will talk
Okay.
this later.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone else? Any doubts?
Yeah, will you be,
Can we meet
you know,
directly?
Uma,
Can we meet directly, ma'am?
can you?
We meet
Meet
in
directly?
Yes,
offline.
please come to my location. Actually, I stay in Mehndipatnam.
Mahidipatnam.
Just ping me.
Yeah.
I will.
At what time you are available?
You can come anywhere, anytime. Today I'm available here itself. I don't go anywhere else. This is my mobile number, okay? Just ping
Is
me
there
on
any
this.
chance to come tomorrow?
Yes,
Okay.
no problem at all. Okay. Yeah, Ekta, you are trying to say something. Tell me.
yeah, will you be helping us in resume preparation?
Yes, definitely. That is a
You know,
part of
what
our
kind of
training only.
experience to put and everything?
Yes, that is a part of our training.
Okay, for each individual you'll be helping.
Yes.
Yeah.
We will be having a session, and in the session only I will teach you. So this is our training topics actually.
I have. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me, bro.
Hello.
Vinay, tell me.
Yeah. I did my postgraduate in 2019, sir. So then after I don't do any work and previously. So how much experience to put into a service now developer?
How many years you have?
Put to, I mean,
Huh?
how much experience to put into IT sector, sir?
No. Total genuine, how many years experience you have?
No. Actually, I didn't work at anywhere.
Gap, how much you have?
Nearly 5 years.
Okay. Okay, no problem. This can be call me on phone. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Are there any others?
Sir, what is the fee structure?
That also I will. That's what I said in the starting. Please. I mean, you came directly to me or with any consultancy?
No, directly.
Okay. I will. Please try to message me. I will tell you the details
Okay.
and all. So I'm saying, Nama, multiple consultancies are there. They will reach out to me only, bro. So yeah, the only thing is like don't go here and there and waste your time. Multiple people will come to me itself. Okay, chala then. Thank you so much for your time. If you don't have any doubts, we can wrap up our session. Just ping me on WhatsApp. I will upload the sessions from today itself. Just give me the email IDs. I will upload it.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your valuable time. Nice talking to you all. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Imran.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Again, the sessions again will start it on Monday. Okay.
Okay.